dressed all in black, went down to the station, and he never came back. They found his clothing scattered somewhere down the track, and he won't be down on Wall Street in the morning. He had a home, the love of a girl, but men get lost sometimes as years unfurl. One day he crossed some line and he was too much in this world, but I guess it doesn't matter anymore. In a New York minute, yes, everything can change. Things can get pretty strange. Yes, everything can change. And in these days, when darkness falls early and people rush home to the ones they love, you better take a fool's advice and take care of your own. 'Cause one day they're here, the next day they're gone. Pulled a coat around my shoulders, took a walk down to the park. The leaves are falling around me, the groaning city in the gathering dark. On some solitary rock, a desperate lover left his mark. He said, "Baby, I've changed, please come back." What the head makes cloudy, heart makes it very clear. The days were so much brighter, the time to see was here. But I know there's somebody somewhere who'll make these dark clouds disappear. And until that day I have to believe, I believe, I believe in a New York minute. Yes, everything can change. Things can get pretty strange. Yes, everything can change. In a New York minute, 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 minute. She can kill with a smile, she can wound with her eyes, she can ruin your fate with her casual eyes. And she only reveals what she wants you to see. She hides like a child, but she's always a woman to me. She can lead you to love, she can take you or leave you. She can ask for the truth, but she'll never believe you. She'll take what you give her as long as it's free. Yeah, she steals like a thief, but she's always a woman to me. Oh, she takes care of herself. She can wait if she wants. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives up. Garden of Eden. And she carelessly cuts you in the left while you're bleeding. But she brings out the best and the worst you can be. Blame it all on yourself, 'cause she's always a woman to me. She's ahead of her time. Oh, and she never gives out, and she'll never gives in. She just changes her mind. And she's frequently kind, and she's suddenly cruel, and she can do as she pleases. She's nobody's fool. She can't be convicted, she earned her degree. And the most she will do is grow shadows at you. But she's always a woman to me.